doing here, old lady?
Well, I would just like to get some dinner.
This isn't the senior buffet. Why don't you go somewhere else?
But I'm supposed to meet someone.
Fine. You wait in the alley, and I'll let you know when we have a table.
You want me to wait in the alley?
That's what I said. Or did you forget your hearing aid?
Fine, I'll wait outside.
Hi, welcome to Mama's, Pescare Trattoria.
I thought this was Mama's fish kitchen.
Ugh, not anymore. We have a new name.
I hope that's the only thing that's changed.
Is the food the same?
You know what? Let me seat you and you can check out the menu for yourself.
I don't know.
Don't worry, honey. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Okay, staff. As your new manager, I'm making some changes around here. First, and most importantly, I've redone the menus.
People love our menu. Why would you change it?
Because I'm here to boost profits. And Mama's Fish Kitchen is a tired old concept.
But this place is a landmark.
Yeah, it's been here for years.
So is the Grand Canyon. Have you ever gotten food there? Mr. Westbury, the owner of this restaurant, hired me to improve profits here.
Do you think the customers are gonna like it?
That's why I'm transforming this place. High energy, expensive drinks, and only beautiful customers, like me.
That doesn't sound like Mama's Fish Kitchen.
I'm not calling it Mama's Fish Kitchen anymore.
What?
You're not?
Oh. Introducing Mama's Pescare Trattoria. It's Italian seafood fusion. People pay big bucks for that sort of thing. Now, grab some menus and go out there and upsell.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
I'm sorry to bother you, but I've been waiting outside in the alley for a table.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Why did you have to wait out there?
That new woman in the front, she said that you were full and I had to wait outside.
Oh. Was that Vicky?
I don't know. She's about this tall, younger.
We have a few people here that fit that description.
She has orange hair.
Oh, yeah. Yep, that's Vicky.
Could you please check with her and find out if I'm ready to be seated?
Oh, I can do better than that. Let me sit you at one of my tables.
Oh, you can do that?
Absolutely. Right this way. Right this way, miss. I have a table for you in my section.
What is this?
Oh, it's our new menu.
Fish lasagna? What is it with these new items?
Oh, that is my new manager. She's trying new things.
An osso buco? That's not fish.
I'm sorry, miss. I don't write the menus. I just serve the food.
But this is Mama's Fish House. They've never served food like this.
Will anyone else be joining you?
Well, I will be expecting my son, but not until much later.
The new manager, Vicky, is changing the entire restaurant. How will customers react?
Oh, Giovanni, there you are. So good to see you.
Oh, Vicky, you look radiant.
So what do you think of the place?
You were right. It is tired.
That's why I'm hiring you to redo it, top to bottom.
Well, it needs it.
Well, come with me. I want you to see the rest.
Well, all right.
Dining room's this way.
So, are you ready to order?
I don't know. What's with these prices?
Yes, I know. Other diners have been complaining about it as well.
I have got to find something.
And here's more of the dining room. What's she doing here?
That's the woman I was talking about.
I'm taking her order. Is there something wrong with that?
What do you think you're doing? You know I don't want old people like that in the restaurant.
You never said that.
Yes, I did. Only beautiful people like me. Remember?
If that's what you say, what do you want me to do now?
I'll deal with you later. Come on, Giovanni. I have a special place for us in the back.
Excuse me, I don't see the tuna spring rolls.
Yeah, and where are the salmon burgers?
Oh, we don't have those anymore. But we do have tuna rigatoni.
Tuna rigatoni? What kind of idiot put that on the menu?
It's our new manager.
This will be nice and private because we have a lot to talk about.
We sure do.
So, did you bring the new designs?
Yes, they're gonna knock your socks off.
What's first?
This will be the new dining room.
Modern Manhattan style. Just what we need.
Next, the revamped lounge.
Perfect. I'm so tired of conventional seating.
And finally, the new congregation area of Mama's Fish Kitchen.
Perfect. Every nightclub needs that. And besides, it's not going to be Mama's Fish Kitchen anymore.
Oh, I'm surprised the Westberries would go along with that.
Well, that's why they hired me, to make the decisions around here.
Not only has Vicky changed the name and the menu, she wants to completely remodel the restaurant. Is that a good idea?
Vanessa, what's the big deal with this name change?
Oh, you don't even understand. It's been Mama's Fish Kitchen for like 30 years.
Well, isn't Vicky in charge?
Well, she may be the manager, but she does not own the restaurant.
Oh, really? Who's that?
It's the Westbury family, and when they find out what she's been doing, I do not think they're going to be very happy.
Oh, well, I just better mind my own business and wait tables then.
My thoughts exactly.
Excuse me, would you mind if I asked you some questions?
No, I don't mind.
Sure, what is it?
Is this your first time at Mama's Fish Kitchen?
Are you kidding? We've been coming here for years.
It's my mom's favorite restaurant.
What do you think about the changes they've made?
Terrible.
If it wasn't for the interior of this place, I wouldn't think I was at Mama's Fish Kitchen.
My thoughts exactly.
After we get this place changed, I'm going to get rid of... What is she doing?
That old lady? Looks like she's making friends to me.
No, she's making trouble. What do you think you're doing?
Well, I'm just having a conversation with these diners.
You're interfering with this business.
I'm just trying to be friendly.
No, you're not. I'm throwing you out of this restaurant.
Vicky is finally throwing the lady out of the restaurant. Or is she?
Kicking me out?
You heard me. You sit down. I'll deal with you later. Mr. Westbury, there you are. I was hoping you'd get here.
Of course I'd get here. It's my restaurant. But what's with all these changes?
Well, you hired me to improve profits of the restaurant.
But these prices, they're sky high.
Well, isn't it obvious? You've been undercharging for years.
But that's why people come to Mama's Fish Kitchen. Great food at good prices.
Who cares about the old customers? We'll get new ones.
Oh, really? And why did you take some of the most popular items off the menu?
Because I hired consultants, and that's what they told me to do.
Obviously, you're using the wrong consultants.
No, these people have been in business for years.
Let me introduce you to the one that we've been using for decades.
So, are you all finished up?
Well, actually, I'm still waiting for someone.
This is my consultant.
There's my son. I've been waiting for you.
This is your mom?
That's right. She's the mama in Mama's Fish Kitchen.
He is such a good boy, and he does a fine job with his restaurant.
What does that woman know about running a seafood restaurant?
I wouldn't think about making a change to this menu without consulting her.
She's the mama?
That's right. And I don't think she'd be okay renaming it Mama's Pescare Trattoria or whatever you're calling it.
Well, whoever renamed it should be fired.
I agree.
I don't know. It's kind of got a nice ring to it.
Well, let's make it official then.
Make what official?
Mama, do you want to do the honors?
Oh, it would be my pleasure. You're fired, Vicky, or whatever your name is.
What? Is this for real?
That's right. Mama knows best.
Vicky learned the hard way that change isn't always good. After all, if it isn't broken,